This is our newest listing here in Golden Oak.
They did such a transformation with this fireplace and the built-ins.
A lot of the houses have smaller pools. Definitely not the case here. This outdoor space is out of control.
Yay!
Bree, we are back inside of Golden Oak. What do we got today?
Yes, we are here at 9744 Vista Falls.
So this is our newest listing here in Golden Oak, but this is a separate part of Golden Oak. Tell us about it.
This is the enclave of Silverbrook. There's only 19 homes in Silverbrook.
They're all estate-size houses. This one's probably my favorite.
And it's on a half-acre home site. You've got the conservation, the creek in the back. That's what makes this area of Silverbrook so special.
So talk to us about Silverbrook. Where did Silverbrook even come from?
The Disney magic with Silverbrook is that it was named after Silver Lake, Walt Disney's first animation studio in Los Angeles, California.
Let's get inside.
Let's do it.
I love this architecture.
Well, let me tell you more about the house. I love it too. It was built by Derrick Builders in 2015, 5 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, 2 half bathrooms, and over 5,300 square feet.
And I'm noticing out here, there's 4-car garage.
I'm so glad you said that.
Yeah.
We cannot skip over the 4-car garage.
Because there's not a lot of actual, true 4-car garages here in Golden Oak. A lot of times it's 2 or 3 with a golf cart, but having 4 to be able to hide all of your toys and your cars is very cool.
And it's awesome because if you have a big family, you can't park in the driveway, you can't park on the road, you're gonna want the 4-car garage. And Ken, I have to tell you, before we even go inside, the owners spent well over $1 million completely refreshing this home from top to bottom since they purchased it.
And it comes furnished, which makes it completely turnkey ready.
Let's go inside and take a look.
Let's do it. All right, I already found my favorite spot in the house and we just got here because right when you walk in, your eye draws all the way to the back. It's fantastic.
I love the views.
So you told us outside that they did a bunch of work to the house. What was it?
They did a complete refresh of the home. It's now very transitional, contemporary. You're gonna see that through the furniture, through the design. I'm really excited to show you.
Heck yeah, so before we go outside, maybe we show them the main level.
Let's do it.
All right, cool. So let's actually start back in the kitchen here.
Well, and before we even get there, I have to point out this amazing dedicated coffee bar to the right.
Oh, yeah.
This was open to the formal living room when they originally bought the home. They closed it off, added the quartz countertops, quartz backsplash, copper hammered sink. It's a really neat space. So into the kitchen, this space was completely transformed. Wait a second, where did Ken go?
I'm right here. Have you seen this pantry? This thing is huge. And I love the fact that it's cabinet level and just kind of hides away right here. It's just very cool.
Blends right in with the Sub-Zero fridge and
Yes.
freezer. Amazing space. Can't go wrong with these.
No, I love the detail and honestly, the clean lines in here look so nice.
Well, you have to mention this range hood.
This is a statement piece, right? Like
It's
so many
amazing.
times they would have just taken the cabinet level here and just copied it here, but the fact that it really is a statement piece in the kitchen.
All right, a few of my favorite things. You have dual islands. This one has a prep sink. Right behind it, you have the pot filler, 6-burner Wolf stove.
Your kids would be making a lot of mac and cheese and plain butter noodles if you're like
that
mine.
would be a disgrace for a kitchen like this.
Or you can bring in a chef and have them cook here and it would be absolutely amazing, I'm sure.
Yeah, falling further into the kitchen, you have the beautiful cabinetry that you mentioned, but it flows seamlessly right into this living space. And this is really the statement piece I wanted to talk about because they did such a transformation with this fireplace and the built-ins.
So when they first bought the house, this wasn't actually here either, right?
No, so when they first bought the home, this was shelves, that you would build as a furniture piece and slide into place. The fireplace was more of a traditional piece, right? Like you had the mantle and it looked nice for the space, but it was not this amazing marble statement that you see now with the built-ins.
It's incredible. It really just brings in the kitchen space as well. I think they tied it in really, really well. One of the things I noticed, Bree, was that there's actually no formal dining room space, but there is a lot of seating.
Yeah, so if you look at what they've done with this banquette over here, you have 8 seats comfortably. You could probably fit a few more.
Yeah, plus 3 more here. So, I mean, you could have 11.
A lot of seating in this main space. Plus, what you can do is if you look outside, you really have this flow of indoor-outdoor living. There's more tables out there. You slide the pocket door all the way open, you're gonna have plenty of space for everybody.
And if you're gonna bring the outside inside, this is the way to do it, I guess, yeah?
Oh, it's the perfect way. It opens right up onto this outdoor eating area and living space. You really can't go wrong out here.
Conservation views really do it for me. I mean, it's the fact that you don't have anybody behind you. It's fantastic. And you're not up on the road, which some of Golden Oak actually is. Some of those roads back right onto Vista Way.
Right.
And the fact that you're just tucked back here is great.
And this space, a few other things about it. If you're a fanatic for outdoor grilling, outdoor entertaining, you have the perfect setup here with all the equipment. This space here is also dedicated with retractable screens. So in that summertime when the bugs are coming out, you can still have that indoor-outdoor living space by dropping the screens down and enjoying this space.
A lot of the houses we've seen here lately have smaller pools in Golden Oak. This is definitely not the case here.
No, this one is a really great size. You have the sun shelf, plus you have the spa and the fire features. You're gonna love this pool.
Yeah, and I think that the outdoor space is really thoughtfully designed as well. With the pool there, you got the primary, the foyer, and the living that all have access to this main area.
Wait till you see it from the upstairs balcony.
Oh, I can't wait.
Before we take you into the primary, let's talk about this wing of the house because it's not one that you want to skip.
Yes.
Right here on the left, you have this amazing laundry room. It's oversized with cabinetry, quartz countertops.
I wouldn't mind doing laundry if I had a laundry room like this.
I would actually probably do laundry if mine looked like this. So it's a beautiful space.
Yeah.
Can't overlook that. After the laundry room on the right, you have a half bathroom.
Yeah, and I love when people take some time and make a half bath just a little bit more elevated, where you can have a little bit of whimsy, and they did a great job with the wallpaper, the vanity here. It's really, really nice. And then right outside the half bath, I noticed there's a drop zone here and an access door.
Yeah, the access door is important because you'll notice that from the 4-car garage, you don't have access into the house. So besides the front door, this is going to be your most convenient access point. Think like bringing in groceries. If anyone's coming to help you, you want this door.
Yes, absolutely. And then right behind us is the first and, well, currently only full guest suite on the main level with the full bath and everything back that way.
Yeah, we have a second option for a potential downstairs guest suite, so we'll have to talk about that.
Let's take a look.
Now into the primary wing. I'm excited to show this to you because there's so many of those transitional contemporary touches that I talked about in the beginning.
So you've got a sitting room before you actually lead into the primary itself. Talk to us about this fireplace.
All mother of pearl.
This is beautiful.
Material was all imported. It's absolutely stunning. You're gonna see a little bit more of it in the primary ensuite as well. You have beautiful wallpaper and it welcomes you right into the actual primary bedroom.
This is one of my favorite designs, honestly. You've got the vaulted ceilings here. It feels very calming. It feels like a resort as you walk into this space. It's just clean linens. It feels really good.
It's amazing. You'll notice a few other things. That's hand painted behind the master bed. You have silk wallpaper, silk drapery. They did an amazing job at bringing this space together.
There's plenty of natural light coming in from the courtyard area, but you've got a lot of extra lighting in here as well.
This lighting, you'll also notice it's in the primary ensuite. It was imported from Hawaii, so there's some neat stories behind that. And let's go check out the ensuite.
Let's do it.
So the first thing that you're gonna notice about the ensuite is this tile inlay. Hold on, wait, where did he go again?
I love this shower because you've got the natural light from outside and there's the 3 shower heads in there. At first I was a little nervous that I'd be like on display, but it's really a lot of privacy.
If you think you're on display in there, you got to check out the outdoor shower.
No, it's plenty of privacy out there. I think it's perfect. So you can get the access to when you're showering off from the pool. But then on this side, you've got the soaker tub, which is really good. I can imagine after long runs or long park days that you would want to use this for sure.
Yeah, and overall, this ensuite just gives you the really serene feel that you're looking for. When you look behind the dual sinks, you have more of that mother of pearl I was talking about. It pops with the natural light coming into the ensuite. I love it.
We spent a lot of time up at the Four Seasons, and this kind of gives me those same vibes. Like it's a very elevated experience.
Before I take you upstairs, let's go through the double doors into this amazing office. You have double doors also that take you outside, and these built-ins.
They're
Look
amazing.
at the built-ins.
No, I love this. And so you've got the 2-car garage out here, and you had told us earlier on that there was another guest suite option, and I think that that's what this was originally set up like.
The original plans called for this to be the 5th bedroom. So if you're looking for one more bedroom space, you can use this for that, and then throw the office into the primary wing where you have that formal sitting area.
Makes total sense. You know, Bree, a lot of times these second floors are kind of the throwaway piece that so many people forget about, but not in this house.
No, the upstairs here I think is actually the statement piece in a lot of ways because you have this front balcony.
It's one of my favorite elevations in all of Golden Oak. Like the front porch here, just as it doesn't feel like Orlando almost.
No, it doesn't. It's amazing. And that, if you are impressed with, you're gonna love the back balcony.
Let's take a look. This outdoor space is out of control. I love this.
Yeah, this is what I was telling you from downstairs. You have the most amazing views of the conservation, of the creek, of the pool. You'd find me living up here.
Yeah, I think so. This is morning coffee. This is evening wine. I love this spot so much. Oh, look, there's Corey. Hey, Corey.
Hey. All right, last thing we'll talk about while we're still upstairs is this amazing loft space. They have it set up as a media room, but if you're looking for a game room, a gym, a loft for the kids, you can do that here. There's also 2 bedrooms, both with en-suites, so the upstairs is really functional.
Yeah, they did a really great job bringing all of the finishes from downstairs up here, from the wallpaper to the cove ceilings. It's just really dialed in. There was so much that we didn't even cover on this, Bree, because there's so many things that they have done inside.
There's so much to talk about. There's the Crestron system, there's the security system. system and just the attention to detail. Since they bought this home, there's not one area that they haven't touched with something cosmetically to do that refresh that I talked about.
Perfectly done. So if you guys want to take a look at this house or any others in Central Florida, we want to be your real estate resource of choice. Make sure you reach out at theorlandoreal.com/YouTube and then hit the subscribe button because we're putting out cool videos like this every single week. We'll see you guys on the next video.